Okay, we're substituting a complex number into a rational function. So what's going to happen is we're evaluating just like we normally would. We've worked problems like this where we've had it and we've substituted it into a function. That's what we're doing, except it's just with complex numbers or imaginary numbers. Okay, so we're going to substitute 2 plus 10i, because this is 10i, so it goes in for x. And then on the bottom, again, 10i plus 3. I'm going to rearrange the bottom. I don't want it to really look like that. So I'm going to do 2 plus 10i. I'm going to write the bottom in standard form, 3 plus 10i. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply by my conjugate. So times 3 minus 10i over 3 minus 10i. So distribute 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative 10i is negative 10i. 10i times 3 is positive 30i. 10i times negative 10i is negative 100i squared, so that's going to change that to a positive 100. Okay, on the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9. The middle is going to cancel. So I can really just do 10 times negative 10, because my middle numbers, when I go this times this and this times this, if you say they're going to cancel, because that's going to be negative 30i, that's going to be positive 30i. Those are going to cancel out. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply 10i times negative 10i. It's going to be negative 100i squared, which is positive 100. Alright, so on top, I combine like terms. So 6 plus 100 is 106. Negative 10 plus 30i is positive 20i. On bottom, 9 plus 100 is 109. And then I can simplify that. Oh wait, I didn't multiply right. 2 times negative 10i is negative 20i. Sorry. And I'm going to make that 10i. Okay, so then I have 106 over 109 plus 10i over 109. Okay, so then the next one. Got x plus 1, x minus 4. We're going to evaluate for f of negative I. So we're going to substitute negative I in everywhere we see x. Okay, so I have negative I plus 1 over negative I minus 4. And I'm going to write that in standard form. So 1 minus I over negative 4 minus I. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply by the conjugate. So negative 4 plus I over negative 4 plus I. Okay, so 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 1 times I is positive 1I. Negative I times negative 4 is positive 4I. Negative I times positive I is negative I squared, so that ends up being a positive 1. On bottom, this times this is positive 16. Negative I times I is negative 1I squared, so that becomes a positive 1. So I have negative 3 here plus 5i over 17.